Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, I will show you how to solve a problem using fsQCA software. Right. So say for example, we have a research question. We would like to investigate a high level of customer satisfaction based on some independent variable. Say for example, attractiveness, competence, corporate social responsibility, customer loyalty, likability, and trust. So the question is, in what configurations of attractiveness, competence, corporate social responsibility, customer loyalty, likability, and trust lead to high customer satisfaction? This is our research question, right? Okay, so step by step, we will solve this problem using fsQCA software or fsQCA method. Okay, so in the previous video, I showed you this simplified process. So first one, preparing the data set. Let me open a data and try to prepare it. Here you will find the data set. Actually, this data set is retrieved from this paper. Professor Marco and his team actually opened this data set for research purpose. They provided this data set to use, for open research. We downloaded this dataset from this paper, and you also can download this dataset from this paper, and you can do practice. Okay, so if I go to the model, actually Professor Marcos solved this problem using structural equation modeling, but with the same dataset we will solve this problem. I will only investigate the customer satisfaction, not okay. So I will solve this applying fsQCA technique or method using the same data set. So data is already prepared. We have collected the data or retrieved the data from that site, and it is a Likert scale questions actually, right? And you will have we will have lots of variables, right? And there are some items actually. So first of all, we need to prepare the data. fsQCA cannot read 3 items, so we need to make it in a single item. Say for example, our first question was attractiveness. Okay, so attractiveness, it means ATT. We can click here, ATTX, okay, equal average, first parenthesis, why is ATT, so is ATT 1 2 3 bracket close, enter. Okay, second one is competence. So competence, it means COMX, so equal average, or is here 1 2 3 bracket close, enter. So next one is corporate social responsibility, CSR. Okay, CSR X, I'm just renaming it X, equal average CSR, or is CSR, this one, 1 2 3 4 5 items, bracket close, and enter. And third one is and customer loyalty, well, CLX, equal average, so customer loyalty 1 2 3, yes, customer loyalty 3 items, bracket close, enter. After that, likability, LIKEX equal average, first parenthesis, 1 2 3 items, bracket close, enter. Finally we need the trust, Okay, trust trx, okay, equal average, first parenthesis, 1 2 3 4 5 6 item in trust, and finally the customer satisfaction, CUSA X. Okay, so we don't need to uh, prepare the data because it's only one item, right? CUSA. Okay, we just make here to make it simple, CUSA X equal CUSA. Okay, so now this one, this one. Okay, CUSA. So right now the data is prepared. So we don't care about right now this, I mean the previous data, right? So now our valuable data is these 7 items. Okay, so for simplification, I'm just copying and paste this one in a new sheet, uh, like here, controls. Oh, I'm sorry, just control V. For simplification, I just copy and paste those here. Okay, so save it in an Excel file, sorry, CSV file, browse in desktop, or is desktop, okay, desktop, customer satisfaction file, it would be the CSV file, okay, comma delimited, okay, CSV. So this is the step of actually data preparation. So after the next video, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.